What's up, everybody? Welcome back. That's my that's my Kickin' with Q impression, man. Yeah, look at this thing. This thing is huge. Oh goodness. Turning radius in this joker. Slim to none.
There you go. there it is.
Y'all see Q got me in red. I'm about to hop in this joker.
Hey, throw that mask on the passenger seat, bro. I can.
Alright, I got you. Man, look at this thing. This thing is huge. Let me see if I can hop on. Oh, snap. Damn, boy. Oh, this is too cool. Put this right here. Just hold that for me. Q, I hope you can see this. Your door holding the camera. Alright. Put my seatbelt on. Yeah, it's smooth though. Okay. Back up a little bit. Gear shifts, real. Oh my goodness. Turning radius in this joker. Slim to none. Yo. Wow. I really gotta make sure I ain't gonna clip nothing. Oh, we good. We rolling. Cooking with fish grease, baby. Let's go. Y'all see it, I'm in Big Red. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. That's my Kickin' with Q impression, man. Welcome back. Yo, I'm having too much fun. Q got me in red. You know what I'm saying? We out here. He in my car. I gotta come up with a name for my car, man. I don't have a name for it yet. But he just did his test runs in the vet. Look like he enjoying himself. I gotta catch that boy while he hopping up, man. It is too funny to see how big that dude is in the car. Yo, he really don't have any room in that vet to move around, but this truck fits him well though. This joker is huge. This is a big old car. I don't think I've ever ridden in something so high, man. I can see everything. You're calling me right now. Yo.
Hey, I want to put in the sport mode and give a little gas, man.
I'm not changing anything right now. I'm gonna chill out right here because we found our spot. This joker's.
You sit right here?
Yeah, we had our spot right here. This joker is super tall, bro. I feel like I'm sitting on top of the world right now. I ain't changing nothing. Alright. Oh man. Alright, so let me hop out and try to catch Q. I'll probably give you guys a better review next time we meet. See how tall this joker is, man. Look at this thing. Why? Someone please tell me why. Look at this. I'm like a little toddler trying to get out the bed. This is crazy. Look at this thing.
What you think, bro?
I like it smooth.
Yeah.
It's a lot smoother. That turning radius sucks though.
Yeah, you can tell me. That's what I'm talking about. Why you doing like, man, it's way easier, bro.
Right. So I think it's recorded.
Oh, man. All right. So y'all see Jack drive it. So we about to let him get some of this eco. I don't think it's all. Yeah, you got to check that out. There you go. All right.
Yeah. First start, it don't even sound like it's on, bro.
It's eco boost, man. Oh man.
Crazy. Okay.
He said okay. It's an EcoBoost, bro. All right, go ahead. So here's your sport mode right here. See that little button? Press it once, and that's tow haul. Then press it again. That's sport. All right.
Sport? Okay.
Yeah, and then you good, bro. So it's turbos. So it takes a little second for them turbos to kick in.
Yeah, you gotta.
But once they spool,
yeah.
they spool, they kick. You saw, I don't know, you saw the video with my auntie, bro.
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, yeah, you feel it?
Yeah, it's different from what I just
You just felt yeah, bro. Oh, it's quick, bro. It's pretty quick when you get involved, I'm telling you, man.
This truck is huge, though,
Oh, man.
Hit it right here.
Yo, if you launch it, oh, go ahead. Oh, you gonna hit it right here?
Yeah.
That's all we hit it? Was that all we hit it?
Yeah, I was doing like 20, so.
All right, we gotta redeem ourselves, man.
I'm gonna turn around.
It got more kick than that.
Turn this joke around.
Oh yeah, you gotta swing it wild and hit it.
See, I thought about it too, so I did it. I was like, oh yeah. Oh, actually, the turn red is got better.
All right, here you go. Give about, and then okay, go ahead. You can just always do it. Nah, they ain't all the way down, huh?
That's all the way.
Oh man, I gotta show you how to do it.
Maybe I don't have the speed.
Yeah, you got the.
I don't have the right rolling speed, probably.
Maybe not. Hold on. I think it's like a 20. If you get it from like a 20 and lit it, it should.
Okay. It should hit. All right, let's see. You straighten up
and just flow it. There you go. There it is. It's for 20. 20 is it roll, bro.
That joker got silly.
He got loose. You tell you, bro. The back end got loose, man. People don't realize that in the truck, bro.
Reverse this joker.
Oh man.
Ain't nobody back here, man.
It's so late.
No, nobody come over here, man.
That's pretty quick though for a truck, man.
Oh, yeah, it gets up.
Yeah, bro. I'm trying to tell people, man.
Shoot down low. So you gotta brace yourself. I didn't think it was gonna fit that.
If you do it from a dig, bro, it get loose every time. That's why I don't really like going from lights and digging like that, cause I'm about to say hit it from a dig.
Yeah, I'm gonna
get on the straight.
I'm gonna get it.
It's gonna spin, bro, every time. Every time it's gonna spin. That's why I don't really like to dig, bro. I don't know because of the tire. I mean, the tires.
Is there a launch control?
Nah, you can brake boost it, but all right.
Let's see.
Dig. It's gonna spin.
0. Oh, that traction control kicked in.
Yeah, traction control kick in.
Oh yeah. This fun.
It got some beans to it, bro. It got a little something to it, bro.
That's a big old joker though.
Yeah, bro. To put all that weight, man, and move, it moves, bro.
That's funny, man.
We should rate our player.
That is too funny, man. I like it, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
I had to get me a truck. Man.
Yeah, you do need you a truck, bro. You need to get you a truck, dog. You like a Chevy guy, though.
I'm yeah, you can say that. I'm a GMC guy.
Okay, GMC. Oh, yeah, you had the Sierra.
I had 2 Sierras.
Why'd you get rid of the Sierra?
I don't know. I be going through my moves, man. One day I want a car, and then a truck, and then a couple more bikes. So I go through my moves. And
I got you. You can park it right here. That's cool. Man, that was Jack's first experience, man. You see yourself have a lift truck?
Oh yeah,
a lifted truck.
Lifted truck, yeah, I can do that.
Yeah,
I can rock with that. I might need like a set of stairs to get in and out.
Oh yeah, bro. You get them retractable stages expensive. You could appreciate it. Oh man, that was Jack driving it, man.